Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the YouTube channel of Pips Institute, and my name is Joseph. Yes, I'm so happy to be with you guys today. Today we're talking about order blocks, and we're talking about break of structure, and then we're talking about just order block, because I don't want to rush this video on order block, and I just want to make sure that you understand the concept that that will be taught on this subject. So I'm gonna rush it because it's gonna be a series teaching, not just one that I will be rushing. Okay, so let's let's look at it. Order block. Order block. So what are order blocks? What are order blocks? What are order blocks? Order blocks are are areas where where banks huge banks where they set their eyes on in order to move the market. And we as a retail trader, though we don't see those huge funds that are being put in there, but we don't know when, but we can only know them through this thing, through what the market gives to us. And we have two types of order blocks. We have two types of order block. Okay, so you want to have that in mind. Two types of order block, two types of order blocks. So we have the bullish and bearish order block. Okay, the bullish and bearish order block. These are the two types of order block that we have. So you want to keep that in mind. The bullish and the bearish order block. So this how does these two order blocks, how do they work? Actually, the bullish order block occurs when market is is in a is in a bullish trend, and the bearish market order block occurs when market is in a what? Is in a bearish trend. Let's give an example here. We are still going to go to the chart. Now, let's assume the market is moving up like this. Market is moving this way. Now the market will come down. Then moves back up. It's going up. Then what the market do? The market is going to come back again and the test here. Then it continue pushing up. Comes back down here. Then continue pushing up. I hope you are getting this. Then comes back down here. Then you see it continue moving up. Now, if you have to say this, if you have to plot your order block, where are you going to plot your order block? Now, right here, because this is a bullish market structure, a bullish market that this market is going up. So you want to plot your order. The last bearish candle, that is responsible for the push up, you are going to plot it something like here. Then okay, so that will be order block. The last bearish candle here, because it's a bullish phase, so you you are going to plot the last bearish candle, the last bearish candle, the last bearish candle. So this is the last bearish candle is around here. So you, because the market is what is moving up. So these are other blocks. These are other block, other block. Okay, let me just, and then OB. This is another block. This is another block. This is another block. This is another block. Okay, you can see that this is a bullish order block. Bullish order block. So these are bullish order blocks. Okay. So now, what I want you to understand now is, look, I want you to see, to check this out. Uh, Look, when you, the market will come here around this level, around this level, around this level. If you should go to your time frame, I mean, to your distance, to your higher time frame, or I mean, if you try to draw this line on your other block after you've collected this all these other blocks over here, after you've plotted them, you are going to notice that this place forms a key major support zone. All this top thing here. So the market is not expected to break this level. Now, this is an example of what? Of a bearish order block. Okay, because the market is moving up. Then you want to plot the other block at where? At the last bullish candle. I mean, at last bearish candle that forms, because the market is moving up. Then you want to, because it is the last bearish candle that is responsible for the push to the high side of these other blocks. Okay, so it can be, yours can be in red, okay, while yours can be in black or whatever color it is. Again, I'm saying, and the same thing goes with the what? With the bullish, I mean, with the bearish candle, the bearish order block. Moves up again, then moves down, moves up again, then moves down, moves up again, then moves down. So what does this look? This is a bullish, bearish order block. You plot them here. The last bullish candle, that's where you have to plot them. The last bullish candle, you plot it around this place. The last bullish candle, you want to plot them at around this place. Okay, so they are the one responsible for the last push down to the lower side. Now, there's something that I would want to speak here. Some people will ask, okay, how do I refine other blocks? That is, how do I refine other block? How do I determine that this other block is strong or this is not strong? Well, I'm not going to tell you that this is one that is strong or this is the strongest. You see, we have so many traders that believe in different concepts of which other block is stronger than the other. So they try to refine these other blocks, okay, into their own trading style. But what I'm going to tell you is this: you want to refine the other block in that suits your own trading style. You don't want to trade the way they see it or the way other people see it, and then they tell you that, okay, this other block is stronger. Why? Because the bearish candle that formed immediately after the bullish candle is so strong, so this other block is stronger. That is to them. Okay, you don't have to trade their own way. There are tons of ways that you can know another block how strong another block is. So you don't just want to say that the other people are doing garbage or they are doing trash while you want to focus on your own very way or your own very method. But what you want to do is that you want to trade in line with your own style of trading. Okay. Personally, if you ask me which other block, how can you refine other blocks that are more stronger? I'm going to tell you that other blocks that are more stronger, the way that you can know them is by taking all of it now by by taking into consideration the candlesticks that forms. I get what I'm saying. Why did I choose candlesticks that formed? That is the candlestick that formed right after the other block. Let's assume now that this is a bullish, I mean bullish other block, right? Now we all know that it is a bearish candle, the last bearish candle that was responsible for this other block, right? Now, after the bearish candle has formed, that is the red candle, then the next candle that forms after it, if it is so strong, okay, if it is so, like if it's the marabuzo or the body of that candle is so big, when you compare it to the wick, then I'm going to say that this is a strong other block. Why? Because the candle that formed after the last bullish candle, it shows that there are a lot of presence of active buyers in the market in that zone. Okay, and these are one of the ways that you know that the banks are putting in their money. Okay, these are the ways that you know that the banks are putting in their money. So you want to take that into consideration also. So that is how I refine my order block. But generally, I am not I am not there are a lot of rules and law that are being associated with this. Why I don't like complicating trading too much. Okay, so that is how you can, if you want to refine your order block, that is how you can refine one. Okay, so that is that about order block. And there's another thing that people always ask. Okay, should I trade, I mean, should I draw the week? Yes, of course you can draw the week. The week the week is also a another block that you need to, when you're doing your other block, you need to pay attention to the week also. You need to pay attention to the week. You don't just want to draw that block without drawing including the week. Some trainers or some traders, they don't include the week with it. They only draw the this thing, the the other the body, and then leave the week. But I would say draw the week, include the week in it, include the week in it. So that being said, let us move into the charts to identify other block. So we can identify other block. So we are on odd JPY on the 1 hour time frame, and we can see that now we want to draw other block on odd JPY, and I would want you to pay attention to how I draw this other block. Okay, let me click on my shapes. Okay, now the first thing I want to look at for is, okay, that now from this rate, the market begins to give us something like this here, moves down here, could go up here, then moves down here, then go up here. Then so it's a, we can see that this is forming already a lower low. Now the first place where we want to draw this thing, our other block is this push down. Then we're going to draw, I'm going to draw it. You can see that this bullish candle over here, this bearish candle over here, it totally engulfs this bullish candle. So this is the last bullish candle responsible for this push down. So you can see that this bearish candle totally engulfs this place. So it shows that there are banks, there are other blocks that have been filled here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw it. I can just reduce this level. So let me just, okay. So I draw it, then so we imitate it. Okay. So we've seen this lot of movement moving up here. Why am I not responsible for drawing this place? Because it is not that strong other block. Okay. Now as you can see, but the market comes back to what? To retest this other block that is here. Excuse me. Market comes down, moves here, but it came to what, to retest this other block. Okay. Now I did not do any other block. Why? Because it is not a strong other block for me. Then the market then moves down here, then gives something like this. Wow. To me, this is a strong order block. Why is it a strong order block? Because look at, when you look at this candle over here, this is a strong bearish candle. So I'm going to want to draw the other block. So I'm going to want to draw the other block here. So just for this body. So that's another block. So the market just came back. Then let's continue. So the market comes back, moves away from here quickly. Okay. I'm going to want to draw another block here at around this level. I can see a strong other block over there. So this video is just basically meant for other blocks. I'm going to be doing a video on breaker blocks. Okay. So what the market did, the market comes back. So that is just how to identify your other block. That's how you refine your other block. Number one, you want to look at another block that is so, number one, the other block that has, if it's a bullish other block, like a bearish other block like this, you want to look at how the next candle, because then you plot your other block. So the same thing goes also for what? For a bullish candle. You can see over here that this is forming a what? An higher high, giving us something like this, something like this, something like this. Okay. So now what you want to do is that you want to draw another block. I'm going to draw from here to here. Okay. But you can see that this candle here was this bearish candle, and this was the last bullish bearish candle responsible for this push up. So this over here is what is the valid data block. And you can see that once the push up comes down, then what, the market comes back to retrace around this other block, then moves up again. Okay, so I'm going to draw another other block at around this level also. This is the last other block, bullish other block that's responsible for this push up over there. So it's so easy drawing another block. All you just want to do is that you are only looking out for few points. Okay. Number one, if for a bearish other block, for a bearish other blocks, what you're looking for is that number one, you want to look out for uh the last bullish candle before the push down. Then number two, then you want to look out for a huge bearish candle which signifies huge amount of money by the banks. So you can also use this for a bearish order block. Okay, for a bearish order block, for a bullish order block, bullish order block, for 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 a bullish order block, you want to do the same thing. You want to do the same thing. The last bearish candle before the push up then 2, the huge and the candle might be in Marabuzo, as a Marabuzo, or a well, just a candle that has big body and small wicks. That's what I want to look out for. So that's how to identify and draw your order block. Our YouTube channel, and make sure you like come your way next.